Are you feeling tired and sluggish? In today's video, we'll explore 5 natural ways to boost your energy and feel more refreshed throughout the day. 1. Hydrate properly. Dehydration is one of the main causes of low energy. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and you'll feel the difference. 2. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night to recharge your body and mind. 3. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals, like leafy greens, berries, and nuts, help your body produce energy efficiently. Exercise regularly. It may sound counterintuitive, but light exercise like walking or stretching increases blood flow and boosts energy levels. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress drains your energy. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to relax and recharge. Boosting your energy doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these simple tips and feel the change. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips.